Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. And I am your subject teacher of science. I am assistant teacher at LPM Public School. And students, as we know that your chapter number 6, the name of this chapter, living and non-living things, is proceeding. So I already explained the many types in previous videos lecture, and now today we will discuss about the some differences between living and non-living things. And students, before this discussion, I have already revised your previous topic. Your topic is living and non-living things. Do you know about living things? What is living things? Students, as we know that the living things as like human being, animals and birds, plants are living things because the all living things, they can move, they can grow and they can breathe, and also the living things grow with time and living things need food to grow. But non-living things are not move easily by their own, and no, they do not grow and they do not breathe. So students, non-living things are as like paper, pencil, table, chair, board, a lot of thing means etc. And student, are you know about living things? A special movement in living things. But as we know that we move to we move easily because we move to one place to another place by their legs, and several animals are also walk with the help of their leg, and bird move from one place to another place by the help of their wings. But plants are also living things, but plants, they cannot move from one place to another place. And students, as we know that the plants are a living things, and we are depend for the food on the plant, but plants make their food by their own. इट मीन्स हम अपने फूड के लिए प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड हैं, बट प्लांट्स अपने फूड खुद बनाते हैं. द प्लांट्स मेक देयर फूड बाय देयर ओन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सन लाइट, with the help of the sunlight, air and water, with the soil. And students, so we can say the plants make their food by their own. And student, plants also, they can breathe with the help of their leaves. In their leaves the stomata are present, and with the help of the stomata they can breathe. And we can breathe with our nose, and several animals, they can breathe with their nose, with the help of their nose. And there are many types of insects as like cockroach and etc. They also breathe with their holes in their bodies. And students, there are some special plants, they can move as like the mimosa plant. Mimosa plants move in special ways. When we touch the mimosa plants become clothes. And your next example, the lotus move in special ways. When the sun shines, its petals become open, and when the sun sets, the petals of lotus is become closed. So students, let us come and discuss about the differences between living and non-living things. First is living things. There are two columns. You can see here the two columns. First is living things and second is non-living things. In the living things, first is your first option. Living things can move on their own. It means living things खुद से move कर सकते हैं. They can move from one place to another place. And second, in the non-living things cannot move on their own. And your second option is living things grow with time. Living things समय से grow करते हैं, but non-living things do not grow with time. And third, living things and air to breathe. Living things को breathe करने के लिए air की ज़रूरत होती है. And non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things breathe नहीं करते हैं. And फोर्थ, लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड टू ग्रो. लिविंग थिंग्स को ग्रो करने के लिए फूड की नीड होती है. एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स डू नॉट नीड फूड. एंड फिफ्थ, लिविंग थिंग्स फील चेंजेस अराउंड देम. लिविंग थिंग्स अपने सराउंडिंग जितने भी चेंजेस होंगे उन्हें महसूस कर सकते हैं, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स डू नॉट फील चेंजेस. एंड नेक्स्ट, लिविंग थिंग्स रिप्रोड्यूस. लिविंग थिंग्स रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स डू नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस. रिप्रोड्यूस मीन्स अपने जैसे संतान उत्पन्न करना ही रिप्रोडक्शन कहलाता है. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स डू नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस. एंड लास्ट इज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स. As we know that the human being, plants and animals are example of living things. So book, pencil and vat are example of non-living thing. We can say the student, the man-made things are called non-living things and natural things are called living things. I hope you all are understand about the differences between living and non-living things. And thanks a lot for watching this video students. We will meet again in my new video lecture, and I recommended that you have also watched my previous video. Thank you.